printing out your very own scavenger hunt and searching out for bugs and insects can be a fun activity for all the family. Make some pebble art. Painting pebbles is easy but creative activity for all the family to get involved with and allows youngsters to experiment with variety of colors and patterns. You can even dot them around your walk to brighten up someone else's day. Grow your own vegetables. Some vegetables can be grown outdoors and indoors, and allowing children to pick the vegetable they want and letting them watch as it grows is a great way to keep them entertained. Build a bird feeder. Making a DIY bird feeder is a great way to teach your kids all about the different bird species that reside in your area. You can even create a little checklist and tick them off as you spot them.